Got me?
Go.
That's what you do in the clubs?
Dude, keep going.
Guy.
I can't follow your rhythms. Hey, let's switch. You dance, I beatbox. Okay. Do you have him in the shot?
And it's still going, but go!
Yeah, boy! Ow!
Smooth Criminal!
Oh! Hey!
Switch up. Let's do Beat It.
Beat it! Beat it! Woo!
Beat it! Beat it! Beat it! Beat it! Tell me what you want, beat it!
Wow, that was really good.
It's still going. Okay.
Yo, I'm Ellie Belly, I got a big belly, sometimes I speak silly. Billy, that's my name, I'm a G from the LBC, and I got all the fame to prove it. Now I'm spitting to my boy Andy, he is cool, he's a G. Some rich man, cause he is cool. He ain't a fool, take you any day to school, with his rap beatbox skills. And he is very ill right day, this is what we're doing now, cause I'm about to bust you out, cause he's a boy helping me out, cause that's what we do. Now then, peace out now.